Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "The Moment Gen Z Shoplifters Realize They're Screwed."
This surveillance camera footage shows two young girls shoplifting from a sporting goods store before fleeing in a stolen vehicle with three male suspects. But as officers closed in, they did not realize the situation would escalate into total chaos, one that could end in disaster if they did not act quickly.
Right on the back. A-firm out of the back fire exit, two female dogs.
They did commit a 30.
A-firm, one was wearing a red bonnet.
Once before I got it, getting on to 71. I need another car, they're running. Getting out. Over the fence.
Oh shit. Hey, that last guy, he struggled on the first one real quick, but he just hopped like a bunny. Damn.
I need another car, they're running. Getting out.
Look at the last guy. Boing. God damn.
They ran, I'm holding the car. They went behind Roosters, running towards Red Roof. No one got out of the driver's seat.
Yeah, I got him right here. Go towards the highway there. They're running in between the buildings.
Oh yeah, he done. He caught. Oh yeah.
Keep going.
Hands up, everybody. I want you to step out here in just a minute.
Okay.
Turn up your hands, bring back.
Do not move.
Go towards the highway there. They're running in.
Thank you for not running.
Where the girls gonna run to, man? They know they would get caught.
Come here! Red shoes running back towards Red Roof now.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You understand me? Sprawl out!
Ooh.
Don't move! Don't move!
Rat. Over.
Can you put your phone down?
Can I put it in my pocket?
Nope. Put it, just drop it. We'll get it.
Oh my God, they
Just-
trying to make me grab my
just
phone.
drop it.
You know how I feel about my phone. I'm not dropping my phone.
Okay, well, you can't go reaching.
Damn, you can put it in my
Okay.
These kids and their phones, boy, they holding on to that for dear life, man. God forbid they get a scratch on their phone.
Police, you're under arrest! Come here now! I will release my canine!
Put your hands up now! Move it that way! Put your hands up now! Get on your knees!
Come here now! Put your hands up now! Get on the ground! On the ground now! On the ground!
You got one still going towards the highway. We got one at gunpoint. The f is wrong with you?
Get on your stomach now!
Hey, he's going over the highway right now.
Yeah.
I run the master.
Yeah, you sure can.
I'm gonna go to him.
Still jumping over the highway now.
He's in the northbound. Keep holding him. I'm gonna get this guy in cuffs.
Put your hands right back
Hands
now.
on your back. Other hand too. Crossing over the northbound lane towards the food bank. He's crossing over the northbound lane towards the food bank. Looks like he's trying to steal a car potentially.
You got anything on you?
No.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me?
You can check. You can make sure they get my phone out that car.
Say that one more time.
Can you make sure they get my phone out that car? I don't even live out. You gotta be at the car.
We're gonna have to stand up, man. What's up?
Hey, Hunter! You just want to take him?
What?
Y'all can make sure I grab my phone out that car.
I mean, honestly, I don't give two shits about your
Hello.
phone. You were in a car. We found the car. You guys obviously ran out of it from there. What's going on? What are we doing?
I was riding in the car, in the back seat.
You were in the back seat. You weren't in the driver's seat.
I don't live out. I gotta be at the car.
You what?
I don't live out. I gotta be at the car. My people.
You're what? You're how old?
17.
With 4 suspects already in custody, officers turned to the last one who's still on the run. But after crossing an interstate and assaulting a woman in front of her children, it became clear that this pursuit was about to...
What? What? The last suspect doing all of that? Oh, his ass is grass.
With 4 suspects already in custody, officers turn to the last one who's still on the run.
Over
But after
shoplifting?
crossing an interstate and assaulting a woman in front of her children, it became clear that this pursuit was about to get much more dangerous.
Where they at? Where they at?
No way they doing this. He doing this over shoplifting.
Is this stolen?
No, this mine.
Okay. You pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably by one of them guys.
Yeah, we got one detained.
Really quick, what's your name?
Honest.
Okay, and I'm gonna be.
Okay,
You've been
so we
very
have the
cooperative.
vehicle.
Don't let me down now. Deal?
Deal.
In front of Roosters.
Because
I have
you stayed in the
150
car.
with one detained.
You've been
How
cooperative.
many do you
You've
have
been
over there?
polite. Don't lie to me
Who has
now.
the 2?
Stop! God damn it.
Cop trying to get across that highway, boy.
How far along are you?
Not that far.
Do you know how many weeks? Huh? You don't?
No.
Okay, when did you find out? When?
I'm like,
Talking at 5 for the 45.
5 weeks?
yes,
Did you just take a test?
yes, ma'am.
That's your baby? She said that's her baby.
No.
Girl, what? What?
Like, not like that belonged to me.
Are we lying?
No, I got a twin.
Are you pregnant?
I said yes, girl.
Why is she saying no?
Them is hers.
Then why'd you say they were yours?
Ohio food collector. Hey, police, stop! Hey!
Wow, you can hear the kids.
You're under arrest! Get on the ground now! Yep. Oh, God. Okay, we got him.
Are you pregnant, yes or no?
I said yes.
But this is not the time for games. You are 16 years old and you are in the back of a car. Are you pregnant, yes or
I'm not
no?
allowed to talk to you without a parent.
Are you pregnant, yes or no?
I'm a minor. I can't talk to you without a parent.
Just sit up for us, okay? Just sit up on your butt. Okay, zip my jacket. Yeah, what do you say?
Well, my number is 614.
Put your hands up in front of you.
What is you doing?
I'm allowed to handcuff you in front.
Okay. Can you call my grandma? Can you call my grandma?
We'll get there.
In a desperate attempt to escape, 20-year-old Shalik punched a woman in the face and grabbed her car keys. But what he didn't expect was a 5-year-old boy chasing after him to protect his mother. And that act of bravery helped officers track him down and eventually make the arrest.
I wasn't here. I'm telling you what, because you're taking me to jail. We're running him over. Mom, calm down.
It's fine, just keep your seatbelt. You gotta puke, just do whatever it said. You gotta puke, just puke right there, man. You miss, you miss.
I was up here at the building, right there in the open area, right there. Me and my kids were trying to walk to find out where we go to get food at, and he comes in, he shoves me, sucker punches me in my cheek.
Sir, I know it's stuff that's like weird, like I'm bleeding out, I'm doing right now. I gotta like spread out. I'm claustrophobic.
And then all of a sudden he says, "Give me your keys." And I wasn't thinking like, what? But
So he did take your keys. You found them. So he threw them in the parking lot, right?
Yes, and I found them. My kids, actually, my kids were running up after him to try to get my keys back.
Oh, you want to file charges?
Yes, I do. 1,000%.
Because officers couldn't determine who was driving, no stolen vehicle charges were filed. And one suspect even joked about it, saying, "Jesus took the wheel." But that snarky remark wouldn't save them from facing jail time. The 3 suspects who fled were charged with robbery, failure to comply, possession of marijuana, and obstructing official business, while the 2 female juveniles faced theft charges for stealing Nike Tech clothing. And in the end,
What are they doing hanging out with what's the other ages? 2020.
And in the end, the most powerful moment of this case didn't come from the intense chase, but from a 5-year-old boy who stood up to protect his mother, proving that real heroes don't always wear capes.
You chased after him real fast.
Yeah, I did. Did I walk it back?
Yes, you did. Mommy's so proud of you.
As you see a young child say, "That's my mom," nuh-uh. It's pretty impressive, pretty brave.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch.
That's so cute. That's so cute, man. You know, this is a good boy, man. Good mama's boy, man. Yeah, that shit is crazy. He sucker punched a woman to get the key. Like, what a scumbag, man. Scum of the earth, man. It's like, okay, you do crime. All right, whatever. You got yourself, you put yourself at risk, whatever. You stealing some clothes. All right. But you attacking innocent people that ain't, like, come on, man. Just a scumbag. Ugh. He's not even worth, he ain't worth shit, man. This shit is crazy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.